Hey friends, I'm back, and in this video I will be reviewing Vivo V9's huge version. So let's begin. So first I will do overview of box. We can see Vivo's branding on top, and there's a combination of colors which look cool, isn't it? Now behind the box there are some specifications given about the phone. Now we will quickly unbox it. So when we unbox it, we get a slim box. Inside there is a transparent cover. Wow! And it has bottom cap-like structure which protects our micro USB input. Next thing is one instruction manual booklet which has one eject key for SIM card tray and our device itself. Then other accessories are one sheet of stickers for warranty. Then one pair of earphones, those look like Apple's one. Then one standard micro USB to USB cable, and last is one adapter which is output of 5 volts. So let's keep it aside. And now we move to our device. So it is in one plastic cover. I have removed it. And this phone feels very light, and I ordered golden color because it looks elegant. The phone looks like iPhone X, and its notch is also beautiful. I have set biometric finger scanning and face locks. So let's see the face locking system. One thing which attracts the locks is the lock screen background which changes. This system is commonly seen in laptops. Let's open. Look, it is changing its lock screen background. Isn't it fascinating? This attracts many people. Now I am trying face lock and it has unlocked. Yes, it is good. Now let's try to eject the SIM card tray. That how many SIMs can it keep. So wow, it can hold one micro SD card and 2 nano SIMs. That's good. We will place it in its place. Okay. Now it is so fast for unlocking. And on the home screen there is the time, then date, climatic condition and temperature also given, which is good. Now on the right side we can see the controls for volume and power, and below down there is 3.5mm jack input, one microphone, one micro USB card and speakers. Obviously Vivo is known for its camera quality and sound. And this phone is highly polished, really. See how fast it opened. Now I am coming in settings. I will click about phone in more settings. So there is a big branding of FunTouch OS and model number Android security patch. Its Android version is 8.1.0. Its processor is of Qualcomm Snapdragon octa-core. CPU real time is given. RAM is of 4GB, and other details are given. That's good. Now let's go in RAM. So RAM is of 4GB. Total space is 32GB. Available is 7.71GB. And other storage spaces information are given there on our use. Yes, now there are few apps previously installed by Vivo as Vivo App Store, then Vivo Cloud and Google Play services and etc. Camera is default, so that's why it is given. And that's it. If you liked my video, so do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. And this is the best phone for 20,000 bucks.